Good morning folks, and welcome back to the channel and yet another video. And today I'm just down by the Tram Depot, Tram Town here in Blackpool, which is Rigby Road, Tyldesley Road. Now the road's been closed off. All the Heritage Tram Tours have been cancelled for today and the road's been closed off. I'm just going to show you from a couple of angles so you can see what's going on. So you've got your police cars here. There's a building there. They're damping down the roof. Look at this. So yeah, the Heritage Tram Tours today have actually been suspended in case of falling brickwork. So yeah, it's all going on down here at the minute. So I just thought I'd bring you a short video just to let you see this that's going on. Yeah, so if you can see there, you've got some debris on the floor, and you can see the blackened out windows. So it's these buildings here that are affected on Lytham Road. Obviously empty, looks like it was an empty building anyway, next door to the Premier shop there. So yeah, there's loads of fire engines and gas company and everything's out here. So yeah, all this area is blocked off. Lytham Road there, Tyldesley Road there. Obviously Tram Town is just down there, and that's where the Heritage Trams come from. So they can't come out and play at the moment until further notice. Right, anyway, just a quick short one just to show you a little bit of news that's happening here in Blackpool this morning. You can see the drone just up there. That's the thermal imaging drone looking for any hot spots so they can carry on damping down. Yeah. So yeah, we are on Saturday the 27th of August. Just to show you a little bit of what's happening here in Blackpool this morning with this fire. So it looks like they're starting to wrap things up now and get the damping down finished. The hoses are starting to go away, as you can see there. Right, I'll leave it there, guys and girls. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Until the next one, I will catch you all later.